watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, here at Storm Team 8, we were mentioning to you over the weekend and through the day yesterday that some snow showers were possible, and in fact, in some cases near 131 likely. This picture came to us from Derek. He sent it in to report it at woodtv.com. You can see some of the snow there. How about this? On a car hood, this one comes to us from Sean. Much of the snow that came down left only a dusting behind on some grassy surfaces, deck railings. Here's one of those instances. Molly sent this in to us late yesterday. Also on the car hoods, things like that really didn't create any problems on the roadways because the roads were so warm from those temps we saw above 70 degrees on Sunday. But this is the direction we're going here, folks. Our first official measurable snow at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport, 0.1 inches. Of course, we're going to multiply that by tens and tens as we go through the rest of the snowfall season. But anyway, just letting you know it's starting, and still a couple of flurries trying to show up here on Storm Track Live Radar. What you see right through Kent County is more so some ground clutter showing up, but over here toward the Lansing area, Charlotte, Interstate 69, there were a few flurries within about the last half hour, and we're really looking for those to completely end within about the next hour. Some breaks developing in the cloud cover as well. Here's the visible satellite. Anything that shows up as white indicates clouds, but notice here along the lakeshore, we're starting to get the cellular look to the clouds and indicating a little bit of breaks in between it. So that's why you're seeing some occasional peaks at the sun, and that amount of sun will increase as we head later in the afternoon, but the afternoon gets cut short because now that sun sets just after 5 o'clock. 35 degrees right now in Grand Rapids. Same thing for Big Rapids. We're 31 in Greenville. A couple of warmer spots along the lakeshore. Now, Lake Michigan this time of the year helps out the lakeshore areas because the waters there are still relatively warm compared to what we have over the land areas. Much lower wind speeds today as well. Of course, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday characterized by breezy conditions today. In that 5 to 10 mile per hour range, generally out of the west, occasionally west-southwest. We'll see those winds go nearly calm tonight. And because those winds are light, we don't see that huge wind chill factor. In fact, wind chill's generally about 3 to 5 degrees cooler than the actual air temp. So not a huge deal as you head out today to worry about that. Here's the 24-hour forecast. Notice those temps holding only in the 30s today. I think many of us will make it into the upper 30s, but by 6 p.m., keep in mind it's been dark for over a half hour already. Beginning to cool things down. 29 degrees at midnight, and if skies can stay mostly clear, many areas in the metro locations will see mid to upper 20s overnight. Outlying areas could see the low 20s if they stay mostly clear. So keep in mind it is going to be a very cool morning. Maybe head out a few minutes early to start the car so it's a little bit more toasty on your way into work or even to school. By noon, 38 degrees. So you notice this warming trend by 6 p.m. around 40 degrees. We'll make it into the low 40s here tomorrow. And notice each day is a little bit warmer. Thursday looking at about 46 degrees, 47 on Friday, around if not a touch above 50 for this upcoming weekend. In terms of the cloud cover, we do have a couple of disturbances that are going to try to move through. Could bring us partly cloudy skies Wednesday into Thursday, but it does look like the chance for precipitation is very, very low. We'll just see a little bit of an increase in cloud cover. Mostly sunny skies persist for the weekend to come, and normal temps are in the mid-40s, so we actually climb a little bit above that toward the end of the 8-day forecast.
After yesterday's huge drop-off.
Oh yeah, you were really noticing it then. But you know, today, it had already been here last night, so today wasn't quite as bad.
Right. Yep, exactly. Thanks, Laura.